and gentlemen, thank you for traveling with us today. Our next stop is Amazon Jungle.
Amazon jungle? This can't be real!
Please remain seated. We are arriving at Amazon Jungle. Please remain seated. We are arriving at Amazon Jungle.
Guys, there's a brand new AI video trend going viral right now. Cinematic POV train adventure videos like these. I'm seeing this format everywhere, but surprisingly, I still haven't found many YouTube channels seriously working on this niche. Many of you comment that I bring topics only after lots of creators are already working on them. Well, not this time! Today I'm bringing you a fresh content idea with huge potential. And I'll show you how to create these cinematic train videos completely free using AI, with consistent scenes, realistic passengers, and crazy destinations. So don't wait until everyone starts copying this trend. Start now, enjoy the process, and your next video could reach millions of views. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. I've specially prepared a complete set of POV train prompts for you, where everything stays consistent from the first scene to the last. The prompts include the normal train journey, train announcements, passengers' reactions, unexpected destinations, dangerous zones, what kind of danger they face, and how they survive it. The best part is that every scene is connected, so your final video feels like one continuous cinematic journey instead of random AI clips. Now I know some of you will say, we don't want prompts for only one situation. We want to create our own destinations. That's super easy. Simply copy my prompts, paste them into ChatGPT, and write just one line. Change these prompts to Amazon Jungle, and then you'll see the boom. ChatGPT will convert the complete story into an Amazon Jungle adventure while keeping the same structure, starting with the normal train journey, then the next stop announcement. Something going wrong, entering the danger zone, getting lost in the Amazon, facing different dangers, passengers reacting, and finally reaching the ending. You can replace Amazon Jungle with Alien Planet, Dinosaur World, Frozen Hell, Underwater City, Volcano Island, or basically any destination you can imagine. This means one master prompt can give you unlimited story ideas. And remember, these are not only image prompts, video prompts are also included, so you already know exactly how every scene should move and animate. Now here's another powerful trick. I also have a single reference image containing 8 complete scenes in the same style. Simply upload that image to ChatGPT and say, change the situation but keep the same style. ChatGPT can create another 8-scene concept while maintaining the same overall format. So you don't need to spend hours thinking about new stories every day. Just change the destination, generate your scenes, turn them into videos, add sound effects and narration, and your next POV train adventure is ready. If you want my complete prompts and the 8-scene reference image, let me know in the comments and I'll share them with you. First, take a screenshot of scene 1 from the reference image. Then open Flow AI, upload that screenshot, and simply tell it to create scene 1 with the written announcement as audio. You don't need to write any complicated prompt, just give it a few simple instructions, and within a short time, Flow AI will generate the complete scene with cinematic movement. Train motion, passenger reactions, and voice announcement.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for traveling with us today.
This makes the process much faster because you already have the complete scene idea in front of you. Now here's the second trick. You can also use Nano Banana to generate consistent images for your complete story. Simply copy each image prompt and paste them one by one. Keep adding your prompts and wait until the generation is complete. Then you can get all your scenes ready and continue the same train story from beginning to end. And you definitely need to see how Nano Banana works here. Nano Banana Lite, Pro, and Nano Banana 2 models are available inside Flow AI, giving you different options to test for your scenes. When I saw the final results, oh my god, I was genuinely surprised. The cinematic quality, train interior, passengers, lighting, dangerous environments, and overall details looked amazing. It felt like the scenes were already ready to animate into a movie. And because we already prepared connected prompts, you don't have to think about a completely new scene every time. Just generate them in sequence and build your full POV train adventure. But guys, keep watching until the end, because image generation is only one part of this method. Next, I'm also going to show you a new AI video generation tool that gives free daily credits. We'll use those credits to turn these cinematic images into moving videos, add realistic action, and complete our final POV train story without spending money. Now let's come to the next website. The name isn't really important because you can already see it on the screen, so let's forget about that. The main thing is that this tool gives you around 68 free credits, and with these credits you can use the older Seedance model to generate multiple videos. The process is extremely simple. Just upload your image, paste the video prompt I already provided, select 720p quality, and click Generate. Normally, free AI video tools take a lot of time, but this one can generate your video within just a few minutes. And when I checked the final result, I was really impressed. The motion looks smooth, the train environment feels cinematic, and the overall video quality is more than enough for Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, and other short-form platforms. Now repeat the same process for every scene. Upload the first image, paste its video prompt, generate it, then move to the second image, and continue until your complete story is ready. Once all the clips are generated, combine them in your editor, add your voiceover, sound effects, background music, and a few smooth transitions. And your complete cinematic POV Train video is ready to upload. You can also repeat this exact workflow with completely different destinations and create multiple unique stories from the same concept. And guys, if you still haven't liked the video or subscribed to the channel, please make sure you do it because we're constantly testing new AI models, free AI tools, viral niches, and new content ideas to bring you something useful on a regular basis. So start experimenting with this niche before it becomes overcrowded. Stay consistent and keep creating. Thank you so much for watching the complete video. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next one.